My name is Karen Kane, and I am responsible at the college for architectural, construction, civil engineering, environmental, and packaging engineering programs. We do have is a 2-year graduate certificate in construction management with an optional co-op work term. We also have a structural steel management and detailing program. It's also a 2-year, also with optional co-op. So these would be very interesting to those of you who already have university or college credentials. In my area, there's also a 3-year architecture, construction, engineering, technology program. That's 3 years of study, and it has an optional co-op as well. In the area of 4-year bachelor's degrees, I have fully accredited Bachelor of Interior Design and also an accredited Bachelor of Applied Technology, Architecture, Project and Facility Management program. It's a long name with a long title, but a really excellent career. In my area, there's also civil and environmental engineering programs. So I have 2 one-year graduate certificates, one in environmental building sciences. There you learn about the building environment and also what to do if there are any issues like mold or lead paint or asbestos within your building. I also have an environmental engineering applications program, and this is more your traditional environmental program, but very, very hands-on. We have a 3-year diploma also in environmental and civil engineering. So one in civil engineering and one in environmental civil engineering. So the environmental civil engineering is a bit of a combination between civil and environmental. And finally, I have the packaging cluster of programs. We all know right now that Amazon is doing a great business, and that's creating a lot of packaging. So I have a 2-year diploma program, a packaging engineering technician program. It is optional co-op. And I also have a 1-year graduate certificate program in structural packaging design and management.